So barbecue is a preparation where we heat up. It's a machine on which there is a grill, and on the grill we heat up vegetables and food. If you after some time, I'll start the barbecue and I'll give you a tour.
Oh, that'll be great. Thank you. So nice. For barbecuing, the vegetables are first cut and then marinated. Yes, properly cut. Potatoes are being cut and now marination is going on. Now this is the barbecue.
Hello friends. So I'm going to show you how this barbecue works and what are the different things in the barbecue. So this is the barbecue machine. Okay. These are the different knobs. I've already started the barbecue, but just to explain, there's a cylinder over here.
That's for gas.
Yep. Okay. And then it's connected over here, and you can see this shows what's the temperature inside the barbecue. It's right now 180 degrees.
Wow.
Okay. I put 3 grills on right now, and I'll just show you.
See, the barbecue has been.
Yep. So this 1,
Start.
2, and 3. So there's one grill over here and one grill over here. I've already put some olive oil on it, and I'm going to put some butter on it now.
Butter is properly spread over there.
Yep. You can see this is butter. And we are going to put our first item in the lot, which is going to be corn.
Wow. We are going to have corn as well.
This is the corn.
Right. Okay. So either after the barbecue is done, we'll enjoy it over here, or in the campfire area.
Okay, I have put the corn.
The corn has been put and now barbecue is to be started. Next in turn for barbecue are the potatoes.
Some butter in this.
Okay. Everybody is excited for this barbecue.
My first experience watching the live barbecue.
Oh wow. And same here. For me also barbecue is first time.
About the barbecue. So if you come here, I'll show you. So how to know whether the whether it's a high flame or low flame. So as you can see here, this indicates high flame and this indicates low flame. So this one is right now on high flame. We can reduce, we can increase. I'll put it on the highest flame, and the temperature now has gone up to 200 degrees.
Right. Okay. And butter is an integral part. You have to keep using butter or oil. It has to be turned, rotated time and again. You have to keep watching so that it doesn't get spoiled. Now we have started putting the potatoes. Potatoes have been cut and then a fork was applied to pierce and then marinated. After marination for some time, and proper oil put over it. Everything has been marinated. Tomatoes are ready. So barbecue is being prepared now. It's turned. This is vegetable patty. Spraying of oil so it catches fire. Wow, lovely. I'm loving it. Are you enjoying doing the barbecue?
Yeah.
Wow. All the veggies have been turned and they have been put from left side to right side.
So this is halloumi. Halloumi is a type of cheese which we can grill, so it doesn't melt.
Okay, halloumi is a cheese.
Yes. This is the veggie patty.
This is a patty, veggie
Mom
patty.
doesn't eat non-vegetarian food.
Yeah, so for vegetarian we have something.
This
This
is
is all for vegetarians. Yeah.
This is jacket potato, and these are some Shimla mirch. I don't know what's called in English. I forgot.
So chilies and cheese and corn
Capsicum.
and capsicums. Everything is being grilled now. Needless to say that the lid is so that the internal temperature can be maintained. So now collection starts, it seems. Properly turned so that the thing becomes properly cooked.
Rajali, આવી જા.
બાર્બેક્યુ વાળું કરે છે ને. Yes, જેઠાભાઈ તમે લોકો બેગ જ ઉતારતા થાવ. હું અહીંથી વોશિંગ્ટન ફોન કરીને કોન્ટેક્ટને જરા રિમાઇન્ડ કરી દઉં. એમ તો એ ભૂલે તેવો નથી, પણ ઇટ ઇઝ સેફ.
A lot of things have been done and few things are yet to be completed. Okay, so now tomatoes are coming.
ખાધું કઈ?
બટાકું.
અચ્છા એ થઈ ગયું છે?
હા.
How do you like it? It has been done properly? Wow.
ટેસ્ટી.
Now it is about to be done. After that, another style of things will come. कुछ कीजिए.
ના ના. No, that's fine.
Now a second phase starts in which the preparation of non-veg things are going on. Barbecue of chicken. These are chicken schnitzels. These chicken pieces are being barbecued. Schnitzels. Spraying oil. They have to be turned again and again, the way it is for vegetarian items. Chicken pieces have also been done properly in the barbecue. It seems now it is time to take it away. It is almost done. About to be collected now. Checking whether it is done or no. Finally, it's done. Last few pieces remaining, 2 pieces remaining. So everything is now set and ready. The fire is there. Barbecue. Come over for a perfect meal, folks. The firewood, barbecue, bread, sauce. Everything is ready. Ketchup, plates. Come over.